A few days back I wasn't okay. I was actually sick. I had fever, I had cold, and my whole body was paining, and that was actually making me mentally and emotionally weak also. I was so low in my energy, and I was not able to do any physical activity. I was not even able to sit like properly for a minute. I was only lying down on my bed, and I was not able to do anything, and this actually brought so many negative thoughts also in my mind, and it brought fear and doubt, like my manifestations are not going to work, what I'm planning, what I'm trying to manifest is not going to work, because the universe, I felt like the universe knows that now I have to actually work hard, but why the universe made me sick at this moment, at this crucial moment? And this is actually what I felt like, and I was like, the universe doesn't me to get what I want to manifest, what I want to get in my life. The universe shouldn't have made me sick at this time. And so these thoughts were coming in my mind, and I was like, I can't waste more time. I have to recover first. I have to get back. I have to go back to my manifestations, to my healing journey, to my all my crochet creativities, like projects that are left. I have to go back. This was in my mind. I was sick, I had to take rest, but these were the thoughts that were going on in my mind, and it actually made more worse. I felt more sick, I felt more pain in my body, and it only got worse. But after like 3 days, I realized that no, it's not gonna happen like that. These fears, these downs, I need to release. The universe always supported me, the universe was always there for me, and this sickness really means that the universe is trying to say me something. And I realized that this sickness, the universe actually said me to pause, to rest, because I was really going so much into those manifestation. I was really working hard, I was taking so much pressure that I have to get this by the end of 2025, that I got over pressured, and the universe actually said me pause and take rest, Nivedita. For some days, take rest. So I'm like, yes, the universe really made me sick so that I can rest my body. So then I tried to release all these thoughts, all these fears and doubts. I was not able to do any physical activity, but once I released these thoughts, once I realized that yes, the universe actually, gave me an opportunity to rest mentally, emotionally, physically also, then actually my sickness became good. I was recovering, and I was able to do a small, little, tiny physical activity. I was even able to eat, and then I understood that yes, this is how it needs to be. Even then I didn't pressurize myself. I was feeling in deep down, I was feeling like I was wasting my time, but I didn't let that thought dominate me. I thought, okay, maybe I'm wasting my time, maybe there's little time left for 2025 to end, and I really had a goal, but it's not like wasting my time. I will really let myself recover properly and then go back to whatever I have to do. And for like maybe 8 9 days I did anything. I was recovering, but I was only doing little crochet, and then if I feel heavy, I even leave that. This journaling, this manifestation, I really took a pause, and I really took rest, and I was like, I'll get back when I'll feel it. I'll get back when I feel it. Then I nourished my body. I ate all those nourishing foods and drinks, and I let my body recover properly. And once I recovered properly, then I went back to this, journaling, this manifestations and all. And so I thought I should make a video on it, that if you are sick, especially when you have a fever or anything, it's sometimes that your body really needs rest, and that's the reason you were sick. So actually I realize these things. And if you were sick, don't just get into that zone like you need to recover first because you're wasting your time, because I really felt like I was wasting my time. But I also realized one thing, that after my recovery, after I got well, when I came back to my manifestation, it was more clear and more strong and more powerful. I feel myself like now more powerful than even before I was sick. I feel like a clear vision, and I feel more like, the things that I'm trying to manifest is coming into my life. Like before sick, I was not feeling that gut feeling, but now I feel more. I feel like this pause was worth it. This sickness was worth it. I had to go through this sickness to get this clarity of mind, and I really am grateful for the sickness that I got, that that really let me pause for like some days, and now I'm so clear. So I'm more energetic, you can say. I'm more strong and energetic, and when I do this scripting and visualization, I feel like I'm more powerful in doing, I'm in more sync with the universe in doing this thing. So I feel actually more good in it. So I want to say that if you feel like that sickness or something, or your body is really trying to say you that pause. I feel like my body was trying to say me pause, but I was not listening to my body, because that zone, like before 2025 I have to get this. So I was so much into that zone. So if your body really says that pause, really take a pause. And sickness sometimes actually means your body needs rest, so try to give your body rest. And so that's it.